On 2nd September 2021, the Nyotrep Youth Council HYC Soyong Circle had met the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Khan, to discuss on the RTI report related to newly consecrated clans within the Khasi tribe. The president of the HYC Soyong Circle, Purning Star Shabong, while speaking to the media, informed that the CEM of the KHADC had agreed on recalling the approvals made to the consecration of the new clan Kashari of Lower Lumparing that was initially approved in 2017 and the same clan twice approved by the council in 2020. Shabong further informed that even though the recalling of the KHADC's approvals might affect the rituals performed by the new clan, yet this has to be done so that it would not affect relationships of kith and kin within the Khasi community.
Beliau ki batang dah kaju kajat kaduksa ku Kashari hakaba kide ki beliau kitang kaya tengku ke Kashari batang po Lower Lumparing ketang ho jar khat nyo kawai ba kajat Kashari ke batang ho jar pro tegine ki jat ki tengku ba kitang dah kaju ke keteng jat bab na kalian ka diskusil kala dep ban approve ye ni ki jat roteli kemudian pada kaju keteng jat ki latang pada kaju pada keteng jat ka diskusil ke dep approve tingilaya kan seni bahaya yang ada ngilaya tai seni bahaya lah mana marba kan kan warna ya kajing dekok habai deh berka kinkur kinka juga jat betul juga tenang liang i siam bila kular bah ya kan deh habar recall ban penbaik nak ban betah ya gitu kikur tiba tang dah kaju kajat bakin penbaik nak kata kan deh ka jing kular ke bah nak liang i siam bila kular pak juga.
On the other hand, the CEM of the KHADC, Titos Khan, while speaking on intercaste marriages, stated that according to the Khasi matrimonial system, any Khasi male who marries a non-tribal female cannot accord his surname to her but only to the offsprings. Therefore, Titos Khan said that from henceforth, the district council will not accept any non-tribal female taking the surname of her children who have already accepted their Khasi father's surname.
Hadu menta ka anhi ka ong tan tang yaki khun. Kabamut lada ununu serang Khasi uyolok ya kadkhar. Ketu kadkhar kane abe ketu kajat jongka. Kamla ban ai ya kane kajat jong ki khun ka bangitan. Cuba ngitang yaki khun Kashari ketu ka kemi kamla ban tho Kashari. Henry ke bersusi menta pak kalong ngani. Cuba menta don ki sijur ki betho. Usen rang Khasi bagar khar. Hakapor baki tho. Shongkurem hakapor baki tho ya ketu ka merit certificate ketu ka kemi kala tho lupa. Ya ketu ka jat. Cuba kamut bentang yaki khun jat Kashari. Ketu ka kemi kala ada tho lupa ketu ka merit certificate ya ka jat Kashari. Kani kalong ka ke mama buat kapangim lah ban dia. Kadang ngiyo alat lung ba kani kajing mi kajing ya keren menta kalong ba nang ni sakmat nginum pedang syu. Ya kini nu ki kemi dah har ki batho ya kajat jong ki khun bakitang. Bat ngida kerpat ru ngin saai kajing tho se ki department ngi bafer bakim dei ban pedang ya kini nu ki har ki ba yolok Khasi bakin tho ya kajat Khasi. Bakin tho ya kajat Khasi. Idon sibut. Dan rai kat ba kampat don ka an. Kat bang pat itu dah ka an kemun ngin nempat labat. Itu.